Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we'll learn about auto forward an email, how to auto forward an email by using rules in Outlook. So according to me it is one of the best feature of Outlook where if any mail which we are receiving on daily basis, we can forward that mail to whomsoever it may concern or to any team leader or to any particular team by assigning rules to that email. Now we will in this video we have one email by my email ID only. In the subject we have the subject name as formula bar and this is the message. So I want from this email ID 7848 I want to forward another email ID which is also mine. The second one is this one, but I want each and every mail to be forwarded to this email ID and I will create a rule for that. So let's get started. We have to click this mail, then go to rules, click on create rules. Now it is asking me when I get email with all of the selected condition, it is asking me for the condition from whom it is coming. You can select any person's name, like in this case it is my name only. If any particular mail coming from the team or a manager and you want to circulate it to the team, then you can select your manager's email ID. Subject contain, in this it is formula bar. Subject contains formula bar. In suppose you are receiving an email having subject daily files. So now on this basis you can fill the file name in this subject contains daily file. According to the formula, according to the subject what we are receiving on the daily basis, you have to fill that subject over here. Right now I will write formula bar because there is formula bar written in the subject, so my email have subject as formula bar. Send to me only. Okay, so the scenario will be your manager is forwarding a mail to you. Now I have to click on advanced option. These three conditions are selected and there are other conditions as well where my name is in CC and to where any specific word there in the subject or body you can select according to your requirement. Now I will click on next. Now it is asking me what do you want to do with this message. Move it to a specific folder, whether I want to move it to any specific folder like Gmail or draft or any other mail. Delete it permanently. We can select whatever condition we require. Now here there is one option, forward it to person or public group as an attachment. Okay, so this is in this way I want to forward it to a particular email ID like this one. Okay, now when I will click on this one, it will give a description. We have to give it in description. Give a description to this. Now when we click on this, if you are maintaining an address book, you can select address book and you can type the email ID. But as right now I am not maintaining any address book, I will simply write to, means to whom we want to forward. Sony.pratik01441 So this is my other email ID, sony.pratik01441 Okay, then click on OK. Now you can see that rather instead of written public or specific person, we have email ID written over here. Forward it to this person as an attachment, then click on next. There are few exceptions as well. We can select according to our requirement. That if it is sent only to me, have a specific word, sent only to me, my name is in to or box, sensitive, important, then don't forward. We can select the exceptions. We can by simply clicking on the exception and then click on next. Now finished rule setup. I have to name this tool. I will give the name auto forward, auto forward. Now second one, run this rule now for the message already in inbox. I will take it only on the basis that whether I want to run this rule for all the messages in the inbox. Turn on this rule and turn on this rule. So we have to click on both of them and then finish. Now you can see that there is a mail in my inbox. I will forward this mail to me only. So this email ID is this mail will be forwarded to me only, but there is one copy to be moved to this email ID as well. Let me delete it. There is no email in this email ID. Now I am going to forward this email ID without selecting this email. See, in from it is 7848. I will select this email ID only. Okay, so both email ID are same, from and to are same, but I am not writing anything in CC, and in subject it is formula bar. And let me write auto forward. Okay, now there is no email ID in CC like this email ID, and an email will go to this email ID automatically. Now let me click on send. Let me correct it. It is Sony. This project 7848. Okay, now I am clicking on send. I will get a notification mail now. Yeah, so we have our mail in the inbox. See, auto forwarded, but we will get a copy of this in my other email as well. Okay, so we have this mail and there is notification mail as well. Formula bar. See, we have that mail as an attachment sent from 7848 to my email ID 141. This is automatically forward. I have not copied this email ID in CC. It is automatically forwarding a mail to my other email ID. So if you like this YouTube video, you can like and subscribe our channel for further useful, informative videos. Thank you.